Hey everyone, hope you all are having a great day. So today we'll be learning how we can add Google Search Console setup to our website. So first of all, search for Google Search Console on google.com. Now click on the first link, that is search.google.com. Now just read all of this if you want and then click on start now. So you basically have two methods. One is the automatic method and domain method, and the second one is URL prefix method. I would recommend this one because I usually do this. So first of all, you have to copy the your website link from the address bar and paste it here with the HTTPS and protocols, and then click on continue. Now there are 4 to 5 methods to connect it. I usually use the method which is the HTML tag method. So this one. You can do others as well, but I would recommend using the HTML tag method. It is simple. So copy the meta tag below and paste it into your site's homepage. It should go in the head section before the first body section. So you have to paste this tag, click on copy it, and then we'll verify it later. So let's go to our WordPress backend. So now we are on the dashboard of our website. So we'll go to appearance and then click on theme file editor. You have to go where the theme files are. So click on the search for header.php and click on it. And then find where the head tag is. Here the head tag is starting and here the head tag is ending. So before the end of hashtag head tag, we have to enter this code. Click on enter, give a space for 2 to 3 lines to make it look clean. And then here we'll paste our code which we copied from there from that site. And just for me to remind it again, I'll just add a few code. For example, this is Google Search Console meta tag maybe. Yeah, and to make it look clean, just give some space under it and keep it separate. Now then update the file. Click on update file. Now we are done with it. So let's go to dashboard again and then let's go to the Google Search Console. Now here we'll click on verify on the method we have done. This might take a minute, but it will be verified in 5 seconds maybe. Yeah, the ownership is verified now, and to show if I don't remove the meta tag from size homepage, yeah, definitely. So now we'll go to property, and that's it. We are in our dashboard, Google Search Console dashboard, and we have already verified and registered for that our site. So on the top you can see our website is here. You can also add other websites also here. So that was so easy. Hope you all liked the video and it helped you. Do like and subscribe my channel and have a great day. Bye bye.